Okay, today we're going to be drawing Boo from Mario. So we're just going to start off with a nice circle just to get the shape of Boo, and then we're just going to sort of cut in. It's a little bit like how I draw fish, like a cartoon fish. So we're going to do a straight line at the back and then draw a circle out from there and then cut it in. So you've got a little bit of a tail of the ghost. Okay, so next up we're going to draw one of his hands in. So we're just going to draw like a little kind of a U shape. But it's like it's falling on its side, or it's like a V. And then the other arm. Okay, so we can find where his eyes are going to go. We're just going to draw in like his cross eyebrows, which is a bit like a W. And then we're just going to put two eyes just underneath. For his mouth, we're just going to draw a nice, kind of looks like a smile. Then we're going to make it into this big D shape. We're going to add 2 fangs and 3 teeth in the middle. And then we'll pop his tongue in and shade in where all the dark will be. Okay, next up I'm going to colour it in and make the lines a bit thicker. I'm going to do this with like a liner pen. You could use a Sharpie or just use your pencil, make it nice and thick. And then when you know how to draw Boo like this, you can turn it into a picture. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. See you next time. Bye!